Okay, we've got some good old cut white corn. We'll take one and about a third of this bag.
Okay, about 20 ounces.
And then we are going to add 2 cups of, not 2 cups, 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Ooh.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons, not cups. That would really be sweet. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream.
Very important.
Yes. And 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to heat this and get it going for about 5 minutes.
Nice. Well, should we add a little salt and pepper too?
Yes. After I get it mixed up, we'll add the salt and pepper.
Look at that creamy goodness. So this is just a good old Thanksgiving cream corn recipe.
Kind of makes it like you got fresh corn. While that's cooking, you can take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, put it in a little small bowl with a 1/2 cup of whole milk. You're going to whisk that together, and that will be added once our corn and butter melt and get to cooking.
All right, that's looking good.
Okay, now we're going to take it and dump this in our corn. Our butter's all melted. We're going to add it in here.
Mix that in.
And let it get to boiling. Thicken up.
All right, that's looking great.
Yep, it's all thickened up. So now you take it off your heat and add in 1/4 cup of fresh Parmesan. And then we're just going to stir that in there. You can put more Parmesan if you like, less. You don't even have to put the Parmesan. It just gives a little added to it.
Man,
And you're ready for Thanksgiving.
This is looking like such an easy and like tasty
Gives it a little different than just opening a pack of corn.
And it didn't take any time at all to make this.
No. See the Parmesan melting?
So we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper on the top.
Salt,
for flavor.
some more pepper. Give it a good stir.
Get a little extra flavor on there. We from the South, you know, we like our salt and pepper.
Yeah. Lord,
Look at all that Parmesan.
yeah. It's a smoking. That's good. Yep, that's good corn.
Hey, there we go.